Okay, switch on the machine. Alright, we install a wheel and we do the measurement. 15. And for the wheel width is 6 inch. Okay, so perfect. And lower down the wheel guard. And spinning. We see that is excessive large imbalance, and it shows an error 001 do OPT. So that means the machine now is not balancing. So it had an error. What we need to do to exit the error, we have to press F and number 2 button. This one. F, number 2 button. Okay, we exit. Now what we need to do, we need to remove the wheel and to perform the machine calibration. Okay. So when there is an error 001, a machine suggests to do OPT, and then that's we take off the wheel, and then that's we press F and number 3 button, F and number 3 button. So this is service and this is service, okay? And this is number 3 button. We press one more time. So this is a calibration car. Okay, press one more time. So this is cal 0. Empty shaft, no wheel, and just lower down the wheel guard. We wait for the first empty shaft balancing calibration. So this is a cal 1. So we need to mount on a steel wheel. All right, mount it on the cone. Lock that. Locking tight. Alright, and measurement 101. So distance 101. The weight 6. Diameter 15. Okay, perfect. So next step, lower down wheel guard. Alright, so we see the half circle. We move the half circle and look for symbol of the 50. So we get a 50 gram, right? So press the pedal and to add 50 grams on the inner side, 12 o'clock on top, lower down the wheel guard and perform. Next step. So we see that here comes an error again. Error is error 026 and shows no A. That means the pickup sensor A value, no signal. So we need to go and do diagnostics that why it will have this error code 026 during the machine calibration. Okay. We need to do the diagnostics troubleshooting first. We have to exit 026. Press F and number 2 button. F and number 2 button. So we exit. Okay, continue to exit. F and number 3 button. F and number 3 button. So now we are back to the service, the service menu. Okay, and press F and this lamp, number 9 button. F and the lamp. F and lamp. Okay, so this is testing programs. We have to go to press the plus or minus key to look for the UFC. Okay, we press the plus, 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 plus. Okay, so this one, UFC, actually this is a voltage, so this is a V. Voltage frequency converter, FM number 90. So now we enter into the testing program, so testing the signals for the pickup sensors. Because before we have an error 026, and there is no A. That means the pickup sensor A is no signal. And we can see the two values here, the two windows. Here I tell you that this window, it represents the pickup sensor value A. Pickup sensor value A. And then this one is the pickup sensor value B. Okay, so now I remove the weight tree cover. So we can check about these two parts. So this one close to this part, cross. So this is sensor A. So this one represents the cross to the other side. So this part is the pickup sensor B. Okay, so now you see that one is very active. When I press the wheel, it can fluctuate and changing the values. But this side represents the pickup A. It's freezing, no change. You see? So this is strange. So what we need to do first, we must make sure and to check about the pickup sensor, because inside is a little bit dark, but you can check that the pickup sensors, if it is installing there. All right, okay, and then we have to go back and to check, because at the back of the computer board, look at this side please. So this is a computer board. See, the plug is plugged off. All right, so you can see that there are two plugs. All right, and what is the difference between two plugs? You will notice that one plug is with the knot. This one we call it the pickup sensor A plug. This one without the knot, the pickup sensor B plug. Okay, and then if you notice here at the back here, there are the small indications. So this is pickup A, pickup B, and pickup A. So there are two pickup A plugs and only one pickup B. All right? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug back the pickup A. Before, we know that pickup A was not responding, there's no signals. So now wow. Okay, come on. Pickup A. Jesus. Plug it wrong side. Sorry. Okay, this time is easier. Okay, plugged in. Okay, let's go and to check in the front. So now you see, after I plug in back, the pickup A and B, they are both, you see, when I push the wheel, okay, both two sides, they can fluctuate now. They are working now. See? They're working now. When I don't touch them, like this value, but when I push the wheel, both two sides, now they can fluctuate. Because just now, because the plug was plugged off, or the signal is not continuously, or maybe some of the plug is loose and is not connecting firmly. Okay, so now I'm going to exit this program. F and number 9 button. Okay, so this is return. F and number 9 button. Okay, so this time I'm going to take up the wheel. Okay, so now it's in service. I'm going to do the machine calibration once again after I plug in the pickup sensor A, because the pickup sensor A, yeah, this in value, yeah. So now is press this button, calibration for the car, calibration, and this is 0, okay, and lower down, and we wait. Alright, so this is cal 1, and we mount on the steel wheel, on, lock nut, alright, locking tight, measurement 101 for the distance, perfect, 6 foot wide, and 15 foot diameter, everything good. Now, okay, so we got this ready, but not now. Just lower down to give a spin after. So now we move the wheel, look for the symbol of 50, and we'll put 50 grams on the top. Okay, now come. Remember just a few minutes ago, when we add 50 grams on the inner side, when we give a spin, there is an error, 026. But this time, after we check the signal of the pickup A sensors, there is no error this time. Now, I'm going to remove this one, and to check this part, okay, add 50 grams on the outer side. Perfect. Right. Continue lower down the wheel guard. Okay. Good. So, leaving the weight on the wheel and just to give one more spin and to check if this time we are having excessive big weights. Oh no, it's coming back and working as it should be. When I put the weights, the light is lit up, and we check the weight is 6 o'clock. Same thing if I put the weights on the inner side and give a spin. Alright, so we check when the lights are lit up, we see the weight is 6 o'clock position. So, okay.